Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Chinmount WindGuard Pro, as I promised in my two videos ago, I think. So yeah, the packaging, there's not much to it. Just gonna be packing it up here. Ziploc bag. So what this is just a piece of foam that's gonna reduce the wind noise more than the GoPro settings can handle. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video today where I'm gonna be riding with it and without it. I'm gonna start riding without it so you guys can hear what's the noise level without it and with it. So yeah, I think I'm just quickly gonna put it on so you guys can see how it fits on it. So yeah, let's just quickly do that. I think it's gonna be going like this. Yep. So Chinmount just says to wrap it around it, and remember that they have different wind guards online. That some are for the GoPro Hero or the GoPro 11, and yeah. So yeah, this fits perfectly on this one. Yeah, easy to wrap around it. So yeah, I'm gonna start a video where I ride without it. So let's get to that. And then we're gonna move on to riding with it. Alright guys, we are on the road testing the Chinmount WindGuard Pro. We're gonna be starting off, as I said, without the WindGuard Pro for two videos. It's gonna be highway speed and normal road speed like this, around 80 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour reference for you guys riding in the US, etc. So I'm going to be riding in this forest for road speed, and then on the highway, of course, for highway speed. So yeah, let's start off without the WindGuard Pro on this beautiful forest road, and then hop on to the highway, and then afterwards with the WindGuard to see how it handles the noise and all. So yeah, let's jump into it. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for the video. I've been reviewing some of the footage, and from what I can tell, I can clearly hear a difference between the two scenarios, with and without the WindGuard Pro from Chinmount. I just wanted to give you guys something to determine from whether or not to get it. I just decided to get it while I was at it with the Chinmount. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you have any comments or suggestions to what I should do, please put it down below. And if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I'm gonna be posting a lot of cool rides in Norway later this summer, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video.